What's up, YouTube? First off, I apologize for not everything fitting in frame right now. I need a new tripod for my iPhone, which hopefully I'll get one for Christmas or something. But this video is going to be an EDC or everyday carry video, which basically is everything you carry with you every day in your pockets, on your person, not anything you carry in a bag or leave in your car. It's what you have in your pockets. So I will go through each item. I'm not going to review everything. I am just going to tell you what it is, and more than most likely, sorry, I will be doing reviews on all of the items individually. Just, stay tuned to the channel and you'll find out. First off, for my EDC Blade, this is something that changes constantly. Sorry. Try and get this to focus in a bit better. There we go. For my EDC Blade, again, this is something that changes depending on what I want to carry. I've got about 6 or 7 different knives right now that I rotate. This is just something I've reviewed. This is just your Benchmade Griptilian. Great knife, medium-sized EDC blade. The next blade, or I should say something that contains a blade, is this. This I don't always keep in the case. Sometimes I will have it in the case attached to my belt, or I'll carry it in my change pocket in my pants. I believe I still have on my Google Plus page, if you'll go there, I have a picture of how I carry my EDC with an example like pants and everything. This is the Juice XE6. I was looking at getting the S2, but this has every feature I wanted. Great multi-tool. I'll do a review of that soon. Love this thing. Got it for my birthday, and I've carried it every day since my wave was just too heavy. Even though this is just about the same weight, a little bit less, I think. But it has just about every feature you could want in a multi-tool. And great small multi-tool. Next thing I carry, fire in the form of a big lighter. I have friends that smoke. I used to. I no longer do. I quit. If you do, you should quit as well. You will feel so much better. Next thing is this, my flashlight. This is the Streamlight Micro Stream. Very bright little flashlight. Takes one AAA. I need to get a new one actually, because I put Loctite on the threading and I accidentally used too much. So now I can't even, you can tell right here, I've tried to get pliers, I've tried just about everything you can do, and I can't open it up. So I'll have to buy a new flashlight when this battery runs out. But I love this thing. I had a Stylus Pro, but someone stole it on a camping trip. It was late at night and we were just walking out, and someone made off with it because I just wasn't paying attention. But yeah, great small lightweight EDC flashlight. Next thing is a pen. This is the Fisher Space Tech Space Pen. Used to have a Cap-O-Matic, but I broke it, so now I carry this one. It's good, but I think I'll be buying another Cap-O-Matic or maybe a Bullet Space Pen. Next, I have the Ride and Rain notebook everyone knows these. I keep it closed with one of these little clips, just like your little office clips, which I like doing just so like it doesn't come undone in my pocket and the pages get folded. I hate that. It keeps it nice and closed, secure. Great notebook. Love it. Small, lightweight, fits in the back pocket. Next thing, the Maxpedition Micro Wallet. Love this thing. In the back I have a few different band-aids as well as some alcohol swabs. Inside, sorry, I keep this flag in here, but that actually is the compartment where I keep my license, my insurance cards, my AAA card, as well as some extra paper. If I ever forget my notebook or anything, I have something. Then this side is just business cards, some other cards. Great wallet, very thin profile. I used to carry a leather wallet for a while. I've gotten this, carried it for about 1.5 years now. I haven't looked back. Love this thing. It's held up tremendously well, and I will do a review on it at some point. Next thing is, this is a thin blue line paracord bracelet, 550. My grandpa was a police officer, so I carry this for him. Just something I do, and you can never go wrong with carrying paracord. Tremendously useful. Next thing is my keys, which I carry on a mechanics wear lanyard. I actually got this for free. Basically just wrote to mechanics wear, said how much I love their gloves, and they sent me that and a couple stickers. But my keys, I carry a Gerber shard, which I mostly use just as a pry tool, so I don't have to use my knife or any of the flatheads on my multi-tool. I carry this, which is a rescue tool, which has a glass breaker as well as a safety cutter. I will do a review on that soon. I want to do it right and actually find a way to shatter some windows so you guys can see it in action. But this is a great little tool. I have a family friend that's an EMT, and he carries it every day with him. Said he's used it a bunch of times on the job. It's been really useful. And then the last thing on my keychain, besides like my car keys and my house key, is this Inca space pen, which is just a backup to my other pen. If I ever forget it, I have one no matter what. But that's it. That is my EDC. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a great day.